I'm unboxing this mug. Oh my goodness, this set of mugs. I've been waiting for them. So the mugs that I got, you'll be excited to see this. These mugs, they're shaped like unlike any other mugs I've ever gotten. So these are the mugs. This is what they look like. These mugs are ceramic mugs. They are 12 ounce. They can get 12 ounces of liquid in it, and the handles are really sturdy. I like this handle because if you see, if the mug is hot, you see how the handle kind of curves. It doesn't allow my hand to touch the hot mug. Now this mug, I like it also because if you look, you can see the ceramic printing on it, but also it goes inside. You can use this for teas, for coffee, for soup. You can use it in the oven, you can use it in the dishwasher. You can also use this in the microwave and also in the refrigerator. I like that the rim is 3.7 inches and the bottom is 2.6 inches. It's 4.4 inches tall. So this is a great mug. It's not heavy at all. It's quite light, and I love the design. So at the bottom of it, you can kind of see all the designs on it. So it's really a nice mug. It's something that will be great for a gift for your friends. You can use it at home, and it's very durable. Look at that, very durable ceramic mug. If you've never tried ceramic mugs before, this is one that you have to add to your stash.